What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tech One Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day, and it's been a pretty great start to the week. So I'm going to be showing you guys, if you guys don't know who it is that I am, I upload daily videos Monday through Friday, usually about investing in the stock market. I usually go live at market open. So I wanted to quickly cover, if you did not see yesterday's video, I called out 3 stocks that I saw the most value in this week. Again, these call outs are ones that I see value in no way. Are these in any way suggestions for you to invest in any of them by any means? They're just ones that I see value in. I break them down live on why it is that I see value, where I plan to get in, where I plan to get out, where I plan to exit if it does not go according to plan. So I share my whole thought process and hope that you guys can get a better understanding on how to break down your own stocks. So, and that is exactly what I did. And let's see if people are here. So, boom, there we go. So we have a couple people that are tuning in live. I'm going to start sharing my screen. So for all those that are joining us live, there's a live chat, I believe, on the right-hand side that you guys can go ahead and type in different things. So I'm going to move myself a little bit over here, and then we should be able to get it right here. You guys should be able to see the different people that are tuning in live. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. So I'm going to say what's up to you guys. What's going on, Alex? What's going on, Christian? What's going on, Donovan, Fuzzer, Apollo, Loba, Taro? What's going on, Alex, Adrini? I'm sorry. Anthony, Hugo, Edwin, Ridiculous R, boom, boom, boom. I like that. D'Angelo, Casper, Jake, my man. Oh, Rick, I'm sick. I'm sorry about that, man. So Jake tunes in every single day for our live stream, and he messages me on Instagram. Shout out to you, man. Hugo, Zach, what's going on, guys? So thank you guys again, Dr. Jennifer Berry. So Gucci Gang, I like that. So let's go ahead and make that money. So I hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to your week. As you guys can see with our group, so if you guys don't know who it is that I am, feel free to browse on our YouTube channel. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. We have a free networking group. It says free group down in the description. Over 75,000 people within our free networking platform. So if you love surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, then this is going to be the group for you. Let's go ahead and talk about, so for those that don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to check my Instagram post right now, but for those that don't follow me, you guys are going to want to follow me and just check the most recent thing in my story. So you're not going to want to see the thing with my roommate. You're not going to want to see about that or the 100K giveaway or me eating canes, or the new trading section that I added to the course, or 23K profit in 1 month buying and reselling cars, but my profits for the day. So I did, a funny little boomerang thing on Instagram. So if you guys follow me, the link is down below. It says Ricky's personal Instagram or something like that. Feel free to follow me if you don't already. I'll go ahead and follow back if you guys do. Let's talk about the top stocks for today and that I saw value in. So they don't have to be your top stocks, but just like Yeatle said right here, another day, another dollar, right? So it's always an amazing day. There's always new opportunity that presents itself. And I'm going to talk about call-outs, why they're important, and what the whole purpose of them is. We've talked about it time after time, quality over quantity, right? And what does that mean? So I'm going to move this a little bit over. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Oh, trust me, guys. You guys are going to want to tune in to the very end. I can promise you that. Look at this. Look at DGAS. Do you guys remember DGAS was showing signs of a downward pattern? That screenshot or that boomerang that I showed was when DGAS was at $23.50. I'm up a little bit over, I would say $400 right now per share. I'm going to have to double check on that. I'm also taking a small position on DRN. That's not going so great, but again, you can't win them all. But I'm still being very patient with DRN. Let me talk to you about DGAS, why it is that I see potential, and I've already gotten in. It doesn't mean that you have to. And the reason that I say that, I would actually say it's much safer if you wait. And I'll talk to you guys about that in just a second. So I'm talking to you based off of my experience. So DGAS is an inverse natural gas-based ETF, or it's a gas-based ETF. It has a previous support at $24, and it was having a sell-off. This EMA line, the direction that it was pointing was straight down. And it was showing signs of a downward pattern, but there was no question that it was oversold. And because of that, that's why I decided to take a position. So did so many of the different people within our group and our private mentorship. Some people got in sub $22. So just imagine how much it is that they're up. They're up more than just 10% on the day. But with their overall position, some taking as small as positions as $1,000, some positions as small as $20,000. So just think about the percentage growth that they all experienced today, or the dollar growth. Now, so it's an amazing thing. It's a beautiful thing being able to and I'll talk about that in just a second. But we saw this downward pattern. The EMA line was pointing down, and now it's showing this consolidation. When do I think that this would be a better buy, or for me to add more to my position? Because I'm not in full-fledged with the DGAS position right now. What I plan to do is when this thing breaks above anywhere from $25 to $26, I will add another $6,000 to my position, putting me at a grand total of $10,000. And why is it that I'm going to wait till $26? Is because I want to make sure when I'm fully invested in something that it's showing signs of an uptrend pattern, that it's actively trending up. Right now, it's actively trending up intraday, but on this big picture 180-day chart, the EMA line is barely starting to flatline. You know, it was on a downward curve. It's starting to flatline, and we want to get that confirmation of a push up. But not only do I want it to start trending above the EMA line, but when I get that full-on confirmation, something that I really like, and again, this might be me because I'm weird, but when it pushes above the EMA line and it pulls back and it bounces on the EMA line, that's the confirmation that the uptrend pattern is valid. That's what I look for. The MACD indicator just signaled a buy signal, which doesn't necessarily mean that you have to buy it. It's just the indicator. The RSI is indicating signs of a reversal. So now, obviously, it pushed very aggressively back to $24. Does this mean that all of those that are in UGAS, which is the inverse ETF of DGAS, are, you know, done? No, it's just one green day. I plan on holding DGAS until it breaks above $30. So what is my plan? When I'm invested with $10,000 at an average of, I'll probably be at an average of like $24.50, because if I buy it at like 25 and with my current average position right now, if I end up selling at $30, that's a 22% gross profit. Right, or net profit. So that ends up being about $2,200, almost $2,300 with this specific trade. And that's what I wanted to talk about. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. So being able to focus, and even just taking this one position, let's say you didn't take any positions the entire month, and just taking this one position, how many of you today, if you would have waited for the confirmation, would be up 10% on the month and would be doing better than you're currently doing right now? It's the 18th of the month, if I'm not mistaken. Just ask yourself, it's quality over quantity. It's not about how many positions you take on a monthly basis, but working towards your overall goal. That's weekly, monthly, and then yearly as well. So if it's about taking less positions, if you can get there by taking less positions, then how amazing would that be? Let's go ahead and talk about JDST. JDST was doing the same thing. If you did not know, there is a correlation compared between JDST and DGAS if you have not compared that already. If you're part of our Learn Plan Profit group, we have these daily Q&A chats that I speak to you over voice every single day, Monday through Friday. So that's if you enroll in the course, you have access to that private group, and I get to speak to you on a daily basis. So I have my, give me one quick second. Hey, Chloe. I'm actually live on YouTube. Do you want to say hello?
Oh.
Are you okay?
Okay, I'll call you back later.
Okay, I'll call you in like 5 minutes. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Sorry about that, guys. So my EMA looks different. Yeah, my EMA right now is set up on a 15-length EMA. I really do apologize for that. Hopefully that wasn't bad. I just thought that would be pretty cool. She's such a sweetheart. So there we go. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. There we go. Okay, so it is above the EMA. I made my EMA length a little bit more loose, and the reason that I did that was because I wanted to get a little bit more of a confirmation and not just I felt like the EMA was riding a little bit too close. I think it was when I was breaking down QRVO, so I do apologize for that. But yeah, JDST is well above the EMA right now. The body itself is way above the EMA. That's just one day though. Don't let that just overwhelm you and be like, hey, this is a full-on confirmation. I'm going to go in 100%. Be patient, set up a plan, how you're going to get there, where you're planning on buying, where you're planning on selling, and how it is that you're going to get to your overall goal. And then the last one that we talked about was QRVO. Perfect pattern. What did I say yesterday? I said that QRVO was on an uptrend pattern. It was most likely going to hit $72 and then pull back. I think it's going to pull back to $70. I'll buy at 70, and then I can write it up to maybe like 72 or 74. It doesn't offer huge margins, but it's been showing signs of a consistent uptrend pattern, and that's something that I really like. If it's not something that you like, then simply don't trade it. Find a stock that you like that meets your criteria, and take advantage of those set opportunities. This is DRN. So DRN on this 1-year analysis. has been showing signs of a downward pattern currently within the past month. But the really good thing that I like about this one is that it's hitting, like all-time lows on this 1 year chart. Now, based on this horizontal pattern, it's just a matter of time for it to reverse. And what does that mean? We simply have to wait for the reversal. It's that simple. Wait for the reversal, and then I can capitalize from $20 to $23, and that's a little bit over 10% profit. And that is something, that's something I'd be more than happy to take advantage of. Almost 18% profit. So if that's not something that you would like to do, then you definitely don't have to. It's again investing in what you see value in, and that's just it. It's calling out stocks that you see value in and focusing on those. And that's something that I think. Oh man, I'm spitting everywhere. Are you guys checking that out? Let's see. Boom. All right. Let's put the live chat back there. There we go. So 3:28 a.m. So no, it's not a clickbait title. It actually does not let me. I was trying to change. I was supposed to go live about 20 minutes ago, and YouTube is not allowing me to change my thumbnail. So I have to change it after. I do apologize for that. It happened yesterday on yesterday's night live stream as well. I've been trying to change it. I have a thumbnail already made for it, but yeah. So. Boom, 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 Ricky's favorite words. Yes, boom, boom, boom is my favorite word, or another day, another dollar. So I hope that you guys are all super pumped for this week. I hope that you guys are all ending it on a green note. I know that I am, and a lot of the people within our group are as well. Not only for TechBud Solutions, but our Learn, Plan, Profit group as well. So if you guys have any questions about what it is that I talked about today, feel free to let me know. I would be more than happy to answer them right now. So Forrest Everline is saying, with that being said, is one of my favorite words. Yeah, that is a really common word. You guys are horrible. You guys are all saying that that's one of my favorite words. Why the 4-hour time? That's just a time frame that I have set up. So it's the 180-day chart with the 4-hour candles. So super pumped. Okay, you guys are now making fun of me now. Courtney is asking for a promo code for the course. Let me know. If you guys, I don't know how many likes. Can we get to 100 likes in the next minute, and I'll get you guys a promo code for the course. So for the Learn, Plan, Profit course, for those that don't know what it is, it's a complete step-by-step process on what has led to my success in the stock market. I teach you from the very basics to the very mechanics. I never tell you where to buy, where to sell, or where to cut your losses, but I've created a team where I work with them on a daily basis. So I, every single day, jump on a voice chat and I work with you to build your own eye for value. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to fish and not be fed, then I would be more than happy to be a part of your success. And that's exactly what the course does. It teaches you exactly, how to find your eye for value, how to scan and find your own stocks and not be told what to trade. And that's what I want for each and every single one of you, because I think that promotes long-term growth, and you can really do this as a career and not have to rely on any group or alert-based system. How amazing would it be to you be able, this is the great thing that I think about trading that not a lot of people talk about. There is no overhead. If you have money and you have the knowledge, then that's all you need to be able to make a living off of this. So I think that's the most amazing thing about this is, hit that like button, guys. So Courtney is saying you guys should hit that like button. Let me know if we hit 100 likes. I don't have access to I don't think I do. Yeah, I don't know if I do. So, okay, so let's just say that we ended up hitting the, okay, so it's saying that I have 100 likes. I'm not even sure if you guys are kidding or not. I hope that you guys, okay, so we're at 103. Let's do it. So for those that want, for those that want access to the Learn, Plan, Profit course, right now it's 9:46 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'll do it for the next 12 hours. So for the next 12 hours, next 12 hours, let's do, we actually have a promo code running right now, and what is it? I think it's, so try this promo code, Green 2018. Let me just make sure, Green 2018 should be a promo code that gets you, oh, no, I'm sorry. Green 18. So I'm writing it in the voice chat. So GREEN 18 will get you $30 off the Learn Plan Profit lesson library. That's where you will get the ability to have access to the video lesson library for life. And I just added a new swing trading section for those that are interested and have full-time jobs or full-time students, and it accommodates that specific schedule. And also you'll have access to the private group and then our weekly watch list as well that I put out for you. And then, I get to speak to you every single day and I get to work with the overall group. So Courtney, thank you again for pumping up the team. I just have there's a new song. It's not Gucci Gang. And oh, come on, Green. We can't be saying that stuff. But I just wanted to play this last song. It's not Gucci Gang, but we always have to make sure that we end these live streams super pumped, right? Because that's one of my favorite words. Okay, Google, play. I like this song, so.
All right, That's What I Like by Bruno Mars. Playing on
What
Spotify.
the heck? Okay, Google, play Thief from OK.
I looked for Thief from OK, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
All right. So I guess we'll have to do with Bruno Mars. So I hope that you guys all have an amazing day. Continue working hard. Continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives you to your success. And you are not going to want to miss this 100K giveaway. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. All the links are down below. To get the $30 off for the next 12 hours, it's green 18 on the Learn Plan Profit course. First link in the description. Join our free group with the third link in the description, I believe, and follow me and subscribe. And if you want to, if you see value in that, right? So thank you guys again. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.